Where'd you go?
Wait, what does my face look like? How do I change my face?
Here.
Ew. Ew, is that what I look like?
If you turn around fast enough, you can see your entire body.
Wait, what?
Oh yeah, you're right.
Say it again?
If you turn around fast enough, you can see your body.
I'm not seeing nothing. Alright, interact. Oh yeah, hold on, wait. Let me get it.
You can rotate it and change the size.
Rotate and change the size. Okay, let's see. No, wait, oh, wait a second. Wait a second. Oh la la.
Oh, you're so funny.
It's literally just D equals 3. Okay, how do I type again? Type the face. Wait. Hold on, I need to look fly.
Yeah. I have to like keep working on that.
No, wait, 375. Oh. Alright, I'm 375. Alright, where do I get a flashlight? Where's over here?
Outside.
How do I record?
Wait.
The runny Meister.
My hands smell like metal.
How do you record? Why is there just a random ladder? Oh wait. Oh.
I'm gonna jump.
Alright, I'm
Do
recording.
it. Do it.
Damn!
3%?
That was 3% so we get down.
I hate how realistic we move. It's like so uncanny.
Keep my nose and Hilly. Let's go.
Oh guys, what is this place?
I'm the Rizzler.
It's like, get out of my way.
I forgot about stamina.
So bitch, Wait, is there fall damage?
It's safe. It's safe.
Yeah! Alright, come and face me, monsters.
I'm not scared of you.
What the hell is this?
Ooh.
What the? Oh yeah! Oh. Oh, it is HP. I didn't realize.
Yeah, I want to be in the
Yeah,
video.
did HP. Hey, what's your battery at?
What battery?
Top right.
Your flashlight.
19%, 18%.
This is a fire exit. Go over here, guys. This way. Wait, yeah. Come back. Over here.
Fire exit. There's a fire exit?
What about the water?
Yeah,
exit?
that way is basically a fire exit. Yeah, water exit, whatever.
Why do we look like we're like in like old like diving suits?
Cause we're in the deep ocean.
Oh, we're in the ocean.
We are?
Yes.
Oh, I didn't know
That's why
that.
we have oxygen.
Oh. Okay. No wonder we look like that then. Okay.
I'm getting notifications on Discord.
You guys turn your flashlights on and can't see.
My flashlight died. What the hell's wrong with you?
I have 91. I'm good.
Ah yeah!
Where do we go? There's no monsters. We gotta get this on SpookTube.
SpookTube. You're gonna end up on live leak soon. If like Louis manages to get you on camera dying.
Right. Wait, wait. I thought you were Hilly. What the heck was Hilly?
What? No, I'm food.
I'm 375.
I'm getting y'all confused. What the heck?
You know, this entire
Dude,
recording
where
is
is creepy guys?
Louis, you're recording our deaths. We're gonna end up on Twitter.
Live link?
And Instagram Reels and Lively. And Twitter.
Hey, why are you guys running? Ooh la la. Because you won't.
Yeah, no balls, bitch. You do it.
Riz!
Ooh, teabag.
Oh, I'm so low. I'm so low. It's control.
Bro, I'm one tap, bro.
I'm one tap as well, bro.
Run,
That
run.
wasn't a great decision to do that.
Oh, Hilly, you won't. You won't, Hilly. You don't got a dick. You won't.
Oh. Yeah. Yo.
What the hell was that?
Yo. It's a screwdriver. I mean, wonder thing. Are you getting this on camera?
Wait. Yo. Ah!
Run, run.
Bail, bail, bail. Ah!
He's dead. Louis! Ah!
Where's the photo? He's dead.
Oh, what is that? Oh!
That's the way out.
Guys, what's over here?
Ah! God damn it, Billy, you dog! Grab the camera and run, you dumbass.
I'm leaving.
Oh,
my
get it.
God.
Oh! Oh my
Get
god.
his ass, get his
Beat his ass. Beat his ass.
Oh!
Get his ass.
Beat his ass. Beat his ass. Beat his ass.
Just close it on you.
Close it!
Okay, let's go. Let's go.
Return to the surface. Dude, he just jumped Louis.
Just jumped in.
That was one health. What's up? Can you hear me?
Ew, you look cochino.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can.
King, come here. King Nature.
Hmm?
Come here.
Come on, let's watch it.
You play it.
Oh, you can watch it?
I cut the couch.
I don't do it. I don't think you. Can you hear us?
Oh, guys, what is this place?
I'm the Rizzler.
He's the river.
What is this?
Ooh.
Jesus.
Oh!
What battery?
Top right.
Your flashlight.
Not.
Yeah, water exit, whatever.
What the? I like
Guys,
keep
we're
moving
in the deep
toys.
ocean.
Oh, we're in
You guys running.
Oh, you don't gotta
Yo,
Yo, check.
it's a, get this, bro.
What the fuck?
This guy's
Hey.
run.
Did you get that one with him? Oh, shit, he's dead. He's dead.
Where's the funny? He's dead.
Oh, what is that?
Run! Snail, run.
Where? Oh.
I'm running for my life.
Dude, where are you?
This way. Up here. Where is
I want to see what's over here.
What the heck was that?
Interesting.
I'm
I'm saving my first video.
Yeah.
Alright, now we gotta go to bed.
Oh, really? It's the middle of the day.
No, it's late. Look.
Oh, okay. Hmm?
Look at Ellie. What the hell?
Oh, Lou, I see what you're talking about. I see myself. It looks like someone's behind me. Ugh. I don't even have a head.
Hold on, I thought of the map. What the? Hey, get off of me! You're weird! You're weird! Weird.
Ew!
My ears.
Money, green, money's all I need. Money, green, money's all I need. Money,